I, Varun Sharma, representing Hettich India here as a legal manager. Today, we are thrilled to announce that we have received the BIS certifications for our two main products, that is, KA Telescopic Draw Runners and Onsys Hinge. It is a significant milestone for us in showing reliability and quality for our customer. And with all the excitement of having a BIS, today, we would like to decode what exactly BIS is for the manufacturers and also for our consumers. So to take this forward, I have a very special guest with us who has been successfully secured more than 5,000 licenses for the various companies based in India and also the companies which are multinationals. So today I have along with me Vishal Sharma.
Thanks Varun, thanks for inviting me here. I'm very much excited to be part of here in Hettich, and I'm very much excited to dwell into the certification process with you.
So to start the things off, we want to understand that what exactly BIS certification is and how it is helpful for the manufacturers and for the consumers.
Okay. So BIS certification is a certification which is provided by a regulatory body, that is Bureau of Indian Standards. It ensures that the products which we are using are safe, reliable and performance-wise good. So that is what BIS certification ensures. So whenever a consumer is buying a product, if the product is BIS certified, it will ensure that it's safe, reliable and performance-wise.
So I want to understand what has had a significance for having this license for the manufacturers from the start.
Okay, so if you understand it, okay, the certification what has been provided to the manufacturer holds a very great significance. It ensures that the product is reliable, okay, and to ensure that we have to be consistent into it. Okay, we have to make sure that the standard, the procedures has to be followed, and it's a continuous process. Regularly, there will be inspections from BIS side, and whenever the product is in market, they can anytime pick it up and they can get it tested again. As a manufacturer, we have to make sure that it has to be as per the standards and the specification and the guidelines what have been provided by BIS, we should adhere to.
I want to understand the process so that the people who are listening and watching this podcast will be helpful for them to understand one has to apply and what is the process in having this BIS certification.
Okay. So the process, it is very simple. Okay. So we have to file an online application. After filing of the online application with the requested documents that have been asked by the BIS office, okay, a preliminary testing of the product has to be conducted. And once the application is submitted, then the inspector will visit the manufacturer. They will do the audit and the inspection over there. And finally, they will provide the certification easily.
It's a robust process. But how BIS ensures standards are met properly?
So that's a good question. Whenever the process is going on, it has to go through a stringent procedure of testing from a BIS recognized lab. Okay, so that is a part of the evaluation first. Then once the certification is granted, okay, then anytime surveillance can happen. So BIS can pick the sample from the market, or they can ask the manufacturer anytime by going there, okay, they can ask for the sample. They will retest it again, okay, from any of their lab, okay, and if they found any abnormality in that or any incompliance, okay, then definitely they will take action. So that is how they are ensuring that the products have to be as per the standard.
Wow, that's impressive. So now shifting the focus to the consumers, we want to understand that if a person is buying a BIS certified product, how it is important for him.
Okay, so if a person is buying BIS certified product, it gives him a peace of mind. Okay, he will be assured that the product is safe to use. Okay, and parallelly the product is high in quality. Okay. So for example, if we take an example of cabinet hinge, okay, if we take a cabinet hinge which is BIS certified, so we will make sure that it will be safe to use first thing. Secondly, it will be long lasting. Okay, so that has been ensured by putting a BIS certified mark on it because it is legally tested and it is safe to use.
That's so valuable for our customers. At Hettich, I'm happy to announce that we have received the BIS certification for both of our products, that is KA Telescopic Draw Runner channels and Onsys Hinge.
Oh, that's good news. Congratulations, Varun. And
Thank you.
Congratulations, Hettich Team India. Getting a BIS certification is a major achievement. So can you share more details about the process, about the internal testing and the quality assurance process you have followed to get the certification?
To start with, we at Hettich, we have a core competency of having a quality. So Before getting into the certifications, we were following all the procedures which talk about quality assurances, measures, audits, everything. But since it was an authority that we have to get this BIS done, so we did this procedure, and there was an extensive quality check which was done by the BIS authorities, and we ensure that we are meeting all the internal compliances and audits in order to meet and get this BIS done.
That's excellent to hear. So as I told you before that BI certification is a continuous process. So how does Hettich India will make sure that the standard and the procedures will remain same throughout?
To do that, we ensure that we are doing a regular audits, and at the same time, a regular compliance is done by the internal team of Hettich India, because we understand that getting a BIS is not just a one-time process, rather it will be a continuous process.
That's fabulous, Varun. So I'm very much sure that it will assure your customers that they are in safe hands.
Thank you, Vishal. Thank you for your valuable insights and for your expertise that you have given your time to us today.
It's a pleasure for me to be at Hettich. Thank you, Varun.
And to all of our listeners, thanks for joining us. If you have any queries, please feel free to reach us. Remember, when it comes to quality and innovation, it's all in Hettich.